Boy, covered in mud. Don't sleep. He was killing it though.
Mini is the name.
That's what I meant. Mini. Pac-Man.
I thought that sounds extra nice out there and some of that switch.
It's a nice street tire out here. Who needs knobs anyway? Got trail balls big back out here. Oh yeah, a little wet sloppy off camber. Look at me standing up.
Right there.
Got the Pac-Man tire on today. Extra training. They always fix fun lines. Oh! Do it.
I just don't even know where to go. Where'd Aaron go?
He went back down the trail we came in.
Follow.
Fun stuff. Doing this really slow, techie crap like this, you learn a ton of bike control. There's tents.
I think there's tents.
In our mid-season bike review, following Aaron up this slick. Look at all that dabbing. Look at all that dabbing. Put your feet on the fence. That 250 power man, baby. Aaron's rolling today, boy. Aaron's rolling today. He must have ate his Wheaties this morning. Wheaties, pay me. Just a young hustler out here trying to get paid. Come on now. Show me some love. No feet, never feet. No feet. Keep that cord tight, control that mug. This isn't nearly as hairy as what I had taken this 250 on, and I've been just fine on everything. I actually want to do a hard enduro on this bike. All I would think I would even really need to do is just install a fan, because I did overheat at one of the races when my radiators got mudded up, and I was just making that thing singity sing. Oh yeah, freak. That was sick. Put that on the highlight tape. Put that on the tape. Charlie, catch up, homeboy. You'll figure it out. He'll figure it out. We'll figure it out when we win. Now I gotta wait for him. Let's go, Chuckles. Get it, Charlie. Oh, I lost traction, but I want that. was clean. That was real clean. That one sent me. That one sent me. Let's go, Big Mac. Crispy. Big Chris. Back behind trail boss Aaron. Aaron's got all types of good freshies. Sit down and bomb. That's what we do. That's what we do. Look at Aaron and all his technique. Sit and bomb.
We missed one more good fire road, y'all.
Oh, this looks fresh. Freshy fresh. Never, ever, 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 ever skip like that. Ever. Under no circumstance. E250. E250. Sing for me, baby. Sing it. Sing it. It's my favorite song. It's my favorite song. It was so good too. It was so good. Yeah, man, this thing is next level. Just straight like that. I'm good for it once a ride. I don't know if you can tell how steep this is here. Well, that wasn't very convincing, but got a round rock somewhere. Whew. Anyway, nice save. Yeah, I'm stuck up here. What? Good news is that just means we get to hit it with some momentum. Let's go back and try it again. Let's try it again. I was rolling though. I was big rolling. Big roller. Big roller. Jeez, there's a couple places I don't like being stuck on the side of a hill. But your dirt bike is up there. It's big up there. Big up there. Don't break my fender. Oh, Charlie found a new line. Get it, Charlie! Let's take it from the top, from the bottom of the top. Good enough for me. You cooking pancakes up there? You see the steam coming? Making that thing kind of wet. I want my OG line. I want to make this one. Come on, Batman! Oh, no. I lied. Being stuck on the side of the hill, not nearly as bad as being stuck on your bike going backwards down that hill with rocks and roots and, well, just rocks. I don't see too many roots. Let's go, Aaron. Let's go, Aaron. Let's go, Aaron. He's got the highest lead.
Yo!
He's got the farthest so far.
Nice, Aaron.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's it. I wish my camera turned on faster. He killed that. All right. I'm at nowhere near the bottom, but a good little starting spot for maybe the hardest hill climb I've done. Definitely the longest. And the ground is wet and loose, lots of rocks. That's what I'm talking about. Make it nasty. Make it nasty. Damn. Aaron carried enough to go up this, around that tree, and then boom, you're back on the trail. God dog. Yeah. Where'd he go? I'm so winded. This is awesome. Yo! Huh? Yeah, I'm coming up. Make it nasty. I said make it nasty. What, you thought I was kidding? Yep. 1, 2. Yep. There you go. Okay. cooking pancakes. Woo! Oh yeah, cook them pancakes. Nature always provides real fruit, fresh blackberries. Nice breather on the side of the mountain. Let's go, Chuckles. Out here killing it. Yes, sir. Aaron, walk that joint up that. Me and Chubby out here sledding. I got a full pump. What's up, fellas? Trail boss Aaron is showing the Sun King a trail called the Widowmaker. Well, that don't apply to me. I'm single, baby. Had a chance, lost that one. Yeah, last one. Man, good thing I brace my core when I ride, because Aaron kicked a rock on that motocross track. That mess tagged me, fortunately, below my solar plexus. That could have been bad if it hit my solar plexus, but it hit me right square in the center of my abs. It's funny, I was just thinking, I want to do some training, having people punch me.
Coming back from this point, looks like they've made an easier route.